Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at an all-new 2019 Sea Ray 19 SPX. It's a 19-foot boat. As you can see, it has a nice walk-through here with sea deck flooring on the step in the walkway. This has the appearance package, so it has more upholstery on the sides, more two-tone, extra stitching, and all that on the sides. Here in the cockpit, you see the infinity woven flooring. It's snap in. There's 3 pieces. On the seat here, you can go from a one-person seat, or you can take the cushion out of the bottom there and place it here for a 2-person seat. Underneath this bench seat, far left, there's storage. Underneath there, it's got kind of a rubber lined, it's hard to see in the video, but it's nice for everybody to put their shoes or other pieces of clothing or anything. Under this compartment is a fully insulated cooler, has a drain at the bottom. At the helm, there's a flip-up bolster in your captain chair. Of course, you have all of your tacks, depth finder. This boat comes with a Fusion head unit, and then it has a blue appearance package as well, so all the cup holders are lit up, as well as rope lighting. Again, gorgeous boat. Great color, great combination. Stop out and check us out.